Everyone, what's up? So today I have with me Mi A1 and Redmi Y2. It's been a while, but I'm back, and we're going to be doing a speed test comparison. And yes, both these phones have Snapdragon 625 and also 2 GHz octa-core processor. And yes, the 4 GB variant of Redmi Y2 still costs lesser than Mi A1, so just keep in mind that as well. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and do the boot up test. As always, start with the boot up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it, and also hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. And yes, here we go. 3, 2, 1. And let's see. Now Redmi Y2 is running Android 8.1, the latest. And okay, both phones taking some time. Mi A1 with Android 1, and let's see what happens here. Okay, so Redmi Y2 first to boot up, and Mi A1 also. I mean, they were pretty much similar, but again, yes, Redmi Y2 just a bit faster. So yes guys, everything is closed as always, and we'll start with the basics. Phone dialer, here we go. Okay, that was pretty much similar. Calendar, okay, faster on Y2. Then Chrome, again that looked pretty much similar. Camera, okay, so that was again equal, so it's a tight call guys, and both phones looking almost equal. So here we go, social section. First up, Twitter. Okay, so faster on Mi A1. Snapchat, okay, so faster on Mi A1 again. Okay, so let's open Tinder. Okay, so that was I think similar. Facebook, okay, so again that was equal. Let's try with one final. Instagram, okay, so I think that was just a little bit faster on Redmi Y2. So anyways guys, let me quickly connect to the same Wi-Fi network, and then we'll open some shopping apps. So here it is guys, first app, Amazon. Okay, so open on Y2, and okay, so it actually loaded on Mi A1. Let's try with some more shopping app guys. eBay, and again open at the same time. Okay, so loaded on Redmi Y2 guys, and Mi A1 taking some time. Okay, let's try with some more shopping apps. Banggood, and opened on Mi A1 and also loaded on Mi A1. So one final shopping app guys, that is Flipkart. Here we go. Okay, so opened and loaded on Redmi Y2. So yes guys, let's move to final section, that is gaming. So starting with a really light game guys, that is Flappy Bird. Here we go. And okay, so I think a little bit faster on Mi A1, or was like animation difference guys. Let's try with this one, Motor Traffic Racer. It will give us a better idea. Again looking pretty much similar. And okay, so faster on Redmi Y2, but it's not like a huge difference guys. Let's try with this, Temple Run. And as I said guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it. And again faster on Redmi Y2. So like I said guys, it's not a really big difference. You can see almost similar. But anyways guys, we have few more games. Let's open this Subway Surfers. And again Y2 seems to be just a little bit ahead. And okay guys, so faster on Y2 and Mi A1. As I said guys, it is a really small difference. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Let's quickly check the RAM management, what is in the RAM and what has refreshed. Here we go. So first up, eBay in the RAM, Instagram in the RAM, and what else, Banggood in the RAM as well. And what else we got, Facebook refreshed on both. Let's see some more apps. Motor Traffic Racer in the RAM. Okay, Temple Run in the RAM as well, and Subway Surfers. So Subway Surfers in the RAM as well. And finally Twitter. Okay, so refreshed on both. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. RAM management wise, it was pretty good, and I have to say it's a really good test guys. Mi A1 just a little bit, proving to be just a little bit on the slower side, but like as I said, not a huge difference at all guys. Remember, it's a little bit older phone guys. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, share, and as always guys, peace out.